Watch it. Hey. Look at him. Look at him. He ran away. Okay, the nunchuck didn't work.
I stayed the same. What are you talking about? What?
Oh, crap. I didn't know I was going.
Yeah, push that.
Oh! Oh my God!
You stayed the same, alright?
Shut up.
Ah!
Pocket. Hungry. That's because you ate before you got here. We went to the mall. Exactly. Y'all ate at the mall, didn't y'all?
Yeah, you were at work.
That's in 2 hours. God. Why?
Oh, motherfucker.